Hi, my name is Christina. I'm a super hair pieces stylist. I've been in the hair industry for about 15 years, and within those 15 years, I've been in the hair loss industry for 7.5. I decided to join the hair replacement industry just because I found it to be a little bit different than regular hair salon stuff. I enjoyed being able to make a difference in someone else's life, seeing their reactions to when they actually got a full head of hair. Concerns for first-time clients is whether the hair will lift, whether it will last on their scalp, whether it'll look natural as well. To determine the best attachments for clients, I ask them about their daily lifestyle, whether they're active, whether they're oily, whether they're sweaty. Also whether they're committed to shaving down their scalp or not. So we can determine whether we would do tape, adhesive, liquid and tape, or clips. My go-to tape right now that I'm testing out, which I'm really enjoying working with, is our Sunshine Hyper Hold tape. It's super matte and it's extra strong. So when tape or glue adhesive melts and gets into the edges of the system, what I like to use or recommend clients to use is get a Q-tip, put a little bit of rubbing alcohol on it or isopropyl alcohol, and just rub the edges. Usually the gunk around the perimeter will actually come off. So my advice for first-time hair wearers is that it requires maintenance. It's a lifestyle change. It requires a lot of upkeep and coming in and getting it maintained and all that stuff to make sure it looks nice all the time. So for clients who are unsure of whether they want to start wearing a hair system or not, I would say why not try it? There are no commitments. If you don't like it, you could literally remove it. Your own hair will essentially still grow back, and then you'll have what you had originally.